breaking. Maybe he found new soil for banana. Tita, I love you so much. Thank you so much for the 4 likes. But to start on OnlyFans and make so money the things instead of asking Rowan is waiting to chat privately. Jaja, what did you done last night? After that, he disappeared. I didn't do live last night. I was very tired. I don't know what's wrong to my body. I get tired quickly now. And now, last night I didn't do live, and now I want to try my membership, but it's not working. I don't know what's wrong to my channel. Tired because of maybe. I think maybe I need to mute first all my CPR, EGR. Maybe Jaja hide him. He is kinda annoying. Who? Jim? No, I didn't hide Jim. I never hide people. That's good in my channel. Joanne. Hello, Joanne. Yeah, why not hide? Hi, Greg Gagu. Jim is Jem. Greg, hello, Guapa Jaja. Greg Gagu. I saw you in Nikita live. You are very supportive to Nikita. I love her content. Greg, what's up from Shock Soul? Hey, Greg from AGR. Thank you for the 6 thumbs up. Greg from JS Rocker. Joanne, hello. Finally, people are showing up. Kumar, hello. Greg, you scored 2 now, 1 green, and last time another one. Hello, bro. Shokson from Greg. Greg Davis. Peanut Family. Thank you so much, Peanut Family. Thank you so much. Hi, AGR from Greg. Miss you, Greg from AGR. Oh, thank you, AGR. Hot looking nice. Thank you, Kumar. No, stop. What's up, brother rocker from Greg? Thank you, everyone, especially to Peanut Family. Thank you so much. I love you.